Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a high-value niche and documenting 3-5 buyer personas so your outreach targets real needs. Once done, tailor your profile headline and portfolio to those personas. This signals fit instantly. Make sure to have 3 reusable pitch templates that map to common problems, plus 1 brief discovery questionnaire for qualified leads. This first push is about positioning and speed. You want to be credible and ready to respond within an hour. Now you execute targeted outreach across 7 days of fresh postings and active clients. Filter by budget and client history to avoid low-quality leads. Once you find matches, customize each pitch to state the pain, the outcome you deliver, and a clear call to action. Keep it 30 to 60 words. Make sure to run a follow-up sequence, a friendly message at 48 hours and a final ping at day 7. This consistent cadence converts interested prospects into conversations. Finish by qualifying leads on a brief 10-minute call using your discovery questionnaire and shared pricing ranges, so both sides know expectations. Once qualified, convert them with a scoped milestone or a small paid trial deliverable and a clear timeline. That reduces buyer risk and speeds decisions. If outreach stalls, troubleshoot by a /B testing subject lines, your opening sentence, and 1 element of a template. Iterate until response rates improve. Then scale what works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.